providing the optimum smooth and precise damping. Sport VDIM is a step up from conventional VDIM. It's able to estimate the road camber angle and to respond faster and more accurately without any excess intervention. And finally, sound. The harmonics generated by the primary firing frequency of a Formula 1 engine at 20,000 revs, and that's around 1500 hertz, was selected as the benchmark sound for the LFA. So the engineers sought to emphasize the secondary firing frequency on the LFA in order to replicate the F1 sound at 9,000 revs. So while adding the primary and tertiary firing frequency harmonics, they created its own V10 signature sound, unlike any other vehicle on the road.
Embracing luxury, a steadfast refusal to compromise in the pursuit of perfection, an unprecedented level of engineering precision, combining irresistible power and raw beauty, an engineer's dream. At Lexus, the engineers and designers accepted the challenge, and the engineer's dream became a reality. In a new breed of Lexus, the Lexus LFA. Assembled by a single engineer, a unique carbon fiber reinforced polymer body, the perfect balance between weight and power, a dramatic signature exhaust note. Refinement and sophistication that all Lexus models possess. The LFA has taken 10 years to develop, 15,000 parts crafted and assembled by 170 highly skilled craftsmen at the Motomachi plant in Japan. Only 500 LFAs will be produced worldwide. Muscular, sleek, dramatic styling immediately puts the LFA in the class of its period. Performance that is unmatched, truly a supercar. Setting the standard for supercars, now and into the future. This is the Lexus LFA. This is the pursuit of perfection.
Alton will run the car for a couple of minutes to get up to temperature, and then he'll play us a song. In the meantime, we'll be in a position to take any questions. It'll take a couple of minutes for the heat to get into the engine. So if there's any questions, we can go ahead.
Where's the owner?
Yes.
Why did Lexus decide to go for a front engine layout when most cars go for a mid engine?
It's a good question. If you couldn't hear, why did we select to go for front engine layout where many supercars have a mid or rear engine layout? Lexus wanted to write their own rules, or at least create something that was a result of their engineering input and thought. And I spoke a little bit about the weight distribution being 48-52 in combination with the moment of inertia